Oh, so exciting! Gotta be careful not to break it. What is this, I wonder? Let's put this beautiful blue jelly on top. Hi everyone! Today we are going to try out the trending fossil excavation ramen. Just look at this package. It looks like there are 8 types of fossils hidden inside layers of ramen candy. It's full of excitement and anticipation. The instructions are on the back. Let's open it up right away. Oh! Inside, there are 3 types of powder, a large tray, and a spoon. First, let's separate the tray. Crush-edge trays are always so easy to cut. It's actually satisfying to cut them. This tray is building candy layers, right? Let's start with the yellow layer. Oh, there's something bumpy inside. Oh, I see. Those are the fossils. I really want to take a closer look, but I'll save that for later. Now, let's add some water. Oh, it's turning yellow. Looks like the fossil is green. Let's mix it well without breaking the fossil. Ah, I love this crunchy sound. It's like mixing sand. Let's back it down a bit. Does this look good? Next is a blue layer. Add the powder to the tray. Just like before, I can feel the fossils inside. Can't wait! Will the color change to blue when I add water? The fossils are orange. Mixing now. It's turning into such a beautiful blue. There are a few fossil digging experience spots in Japan, and I've actually tried it before. It's so fun and kind of magical. Have you ever done a fossil excavation experience? Okay, now let's make the jelly. Oh, this powder is blue. Stir it well, and once it's fully mixed, leave it to harden. Oh, there's a pair of tweezers included. Let's take them off the tray. They are pretty sturdy. Fold it in the middle like this. Now it's ready. Can't wait! Looks like the layered ramen has hardened, so let's transfer it to the excavation tray. Yup, it's set. Touching the surface with the tweezers, it feels pretty firm. Let's take it out gently. Careful not to break it. Nervous. Phew! It came out cleanly. Nice! Now for the orange layer. Gently. Oh no, it broke. Maybe the fossil inside cracked too. That's too bad, but let's keep going. Now it's time for the fun part, excavating the fossils. Wow, it's really fun. Makes a clattering sound. The pressure is tricky. Let's break the blue layer too. It's hard as well. If I use too much force, I might break the fossil. This is nerve-wracking. Let's try picking it out with the tweezers. This one looks like a dinosaur. This one looks like a leaf, maybe? Now, let's rinse the fossils in some water. First, the dinosaur. Maybe a Brachiosaurus? These tiny fossils are so cute! The green one looks like a trilobite. So cool! Washing them makes them super clear. Let's keep going. This one's a shell. That's maybe a T-Rex. Breaking the laminate layers reminds me of when I tried real fossil excavation. I was so nervous breaking rocks with a hammer. You'd be sad if you accidentally broke the fossil inside. So far, the layers are breaking nicely. There are more fossils than I expected to. Yay! Let's keep digging and put them in the water. Some of them are a bit chipped, but oh well. It's part of the fun. With this many fossils, I feel really satisfied. Look, here's what we've excavated so far. Some pieces are still stuck, but it's fine. The laminate candy with fossil chunks looks tasty too. Let's move the cleaned fossils to a plate. A trilobite, a T-Rex. Is this a starfish? I'm matching them with the guide on the back of the package. Maybe Triceratops. This is really fun. Even though I smashed the layers pretty hard, most of the fossils kept their shape. Awesome! A starfish, a trilobite. This one has to be a brachiosaurus. And finally, is this an ammonite? Look at this! We got so many fossils! They are small, but they really look like real fossils. I'm seriously having fun! Now that we've finished excavating, let's return them to the laminate layers. Time for the taste test. These chunky bits are so satisfying. It already looks yummy. Let's top it off with the jelly. It's nicely set. Look at this beautiful blue. It's like the ocean, so dreamy. I love it. Wow! Let's crush everything with a spoon. This jelly's beautiful transparency is amazing. And the sound, so crunchy and tempting. I can't wait to try it. Looks delicious. Oops, it slipped. Let's try again. いただきます。This is so good. Might be my favorite DIY candy ever. The jiggly jelly, the crunchy fossil laminate, and the layered laminate are such a great combo. The taste is fruity and fizzy, so delicious. This channel features tons of DIY candy kits. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!